Hi, my name is Greg Center. I'm with Premier Sotheby's International Realty. I cover Sarasota County. I've been an agent for about 2 years now. I downloaded the RPR app totally on a whim. When I did, and looking at it for like the 30 seconds I looked at it, I said, oh, this is very interesting. There's 19 houses for sale within a half-mile radius of where I live. This is great. I need to look at this more and get to know this better. But I didn't get to do that. So this one particular Sunday, which happened to be about 2 days after I downloaded this app, I had an open house. It started at 1, and at 1:05, my first potential buyer walked in. 1:06, another couple came in. 1:08, another couple came in. When it happens that early in the day, it's a little overwhelming trying to answer everyone's questions, make sure everybody gets all the information that they need. And it got to the point where they were asking me questions that I needed to go to my computer to pull up that information. The particular place I was looking for answers was generating the information very slowly. And I was losing one customer after another. And I got down to one couple left. And I said, I'm gonna try this RPR thing. So I pull out my phone, I hit my app, I asked them is this the area of town that they wanna live in? And they said, absolutely. I said, do you know of all the houses for sale in the area? Looked down at my phone, the RPR app, pulled up every house within a half-mile radius, and I said, did you know about the house across the street that's for sale? It's a waterfront property as well. So I call the agent right there, because it has that call agent button that I happen to find as I'm looking about that property. I'm call the agent. I look over at my client and say, would you like to see it tomorrow? And they said yes. We go in the next day. By Wednesday, we have an offer. From there, they asked me to list their property as well as some waterfront property that they've just recently divided into 4 lots. Because of RPR, it did turn into a multi-level deal. You know, when you hit that app, within 5 seconds, you know of everything that's in a half-mile radius of where you are. I hit a house that I like, I want more information on, I get all the data that's on the MLS, the tax information without having to click extra buttons. Showing instructions, I can have a property report, mini or regular, sent to their email within a matter of seconds. And not only did it work the first time, it works for me, it works every time. It's branded to me, it's branded to my business, it's got my picture on the front page, my name, my company's name. At first I was using it maybe 2 or 3 times a week, now I use it every day. Every day.